In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to check in online for a flight on Alaska Airlines. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly perform a check-in for your Alaska Airlines flight. So all that you have to do is visit their website at alaskaair.com, and when you arrive at this page or you open the latest version of their mobile app, you will be able to find check-in on the menu at the top, so you can see the three main options: book, manage, and check in. So once it is close to the date for your flight, you will be able to access the check-in function. As you can see, what they have to say is that you can check in anytime between 1 and 24 hours before your scheduled departure. So essentially, you do it a day before. You just have to include your departure city, so look for your departure city from this list, and afterwards you can confirm it by using the confirmation code, e-ticket number, or mileage plan number. It doesn't matter which one you select, you just have to choose one of these and confirm your flight. As long as everything matches up, you will be able to click continue to check in and get this process done. Now sadly, I don't actually have a flight booked through the Alaska Airlines, but if you do, you will be able to proceed. You will see this message, complete check-in for your trip, and you can get the confirmation code and check in. Afterwards, keep track of this through the mobile app, and you will be able to confirm everyone who is going to be traveling, so all of the passengers, all of the contact information such as a passport number, and then choose optional services for your flight, so you can configure the seats, extra baggage, and so on, and you will be able to get the check-in done. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I won't be able to show you this full process on screen because I don't have a flight booked, but if you do, you just have to follow the instructions here, and then you will be good to go for your future Alaska Air flight. I hope I was able to help you on how to check in online for a flight on Alaska Airlines. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.